Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Getting ready to do my cast iron cooking video. I was gonna do another chowder, but I just couldn't come up with one. I looked into doing corn chowder, but the recipe looks so similar to the clam chowder. Excuse me. With the exception of, instead of clams, use corn. And I just thought, this doesn't seem very creative. So I'm gonna make something I heard about on radio, and I saw an image on it was Reddit. It was a sign on the window, which I later found out it was the Waffle House, and they said no off menu item orders. You know, just stick with the menu. And it turned out it was a waffle sandwich. So it's like a burger on a waffle with like bacon, egg, and cheese. I thought, oh, I'll make that because that sounds good, and it's still something a little different. I mean, I've done all of this before, but I've never had a waffle sandwich before. So, yeah, let's get to it. Alrighty. So I got my ingredients here. Not really many ingredients. Gonna require a little bit of bacon because I only have one piece left in here, which no big deal. I'll just get that in my cast iron. I'll get that ready. Alright. Get this bacon in here. I think I'm just going to go with 2 strips, I think. I can always fry up more if I want it. Alright, I'm going to get my waffle iron out. Get it plugged in, because it's got to heat up. There we go. Alright, so I got my ground beef here. This is just over half a pound. Of just 80-20 ground beef. I like to season mine. I'm not going to do one big patty, which I think is the way they did it. I'm going to be doing 2 separate patties. So I'm not going to use 2 waffles. I'm going to actually just use one. I want to try to form these in sort of a triangle shape, at least the best I can. See how well that works out. That way when I put them on the waffle, it will fit uniformly. There we go. So those are ready to rock. Give that bacon a turn. Start preheating my pan for the meat. Get that going. Little bit of olive oil. All right, so everything's cooking along. I'm heating up my pan. Gonna get my waffle mix. This is just Mrs. Butterworth's waffle pancake and waffle mix. I actually have a recipe for scratch waffles someplace. I just gotta find it. Hopefully I didn't put too much water in here because I was only planning on making maybe 1 waffle. It needs a little bit of oil, vegetable oil. Sweet. That's all done. That's ready. Patties in. Let's get this waffle going. Just a wee spritz. Don't really need much. Gonna go there we go. I'll just turn on the eggs while I'm at it. Alright, so I'm using a non-cast iron skillet for my eggs because it's Teflon and it's not going to stick. Got my silicone spatula for dealing with that. Got burger going, we got waffle going. I got some cheddar cheese to put on the eggs. We're working. Eggs going, and I like black pepper in my eggs, so I see no reason to change it. All right, waffle is done. Get this waffle out. Actually, I'm going to leave it in for a minute because if I leave it in there a bit, it'll get crispied up. I think I saw in the picture it had scrambled eggs, but I think it would be better like this. So, are we ready for that egg flip? Boom. Add some cheddar, kill the heat, because the residual heat left over will melt that cheese. I went ahead and pulled the waffle out. I'm going to go ahead and get my eggs. Alright. Go ahead and kill the heat. Wow, those are pretty thick. Alright, well there's a close-up. So we got waffle, beef, egg, bacon, cheddar cheese in there. Looks pretty good. Okay. Man, smoky. Whew. I think I'm just gonna eat it right off the cutting board. Let's see how. Wow, that's pretty drippy. Maybe I won't eat it off the cutting board. Maybe we'll just go sit at a table so I can drip on the table. Alright, here we go. A little drippy, but that surprisingly works. So the only thing that I didn't put on the waffle was any syrup, but I wouldn't have done that anyway. The one I don't buy syrup unless it's real, and I currently don't have any. But also syrup is like pure sugar, and I got this blob of mass here in the front, which I'm trying to work on. Which is why the last video I made, I don't know, salad with it. That's good though. Well, I'm gonna sit down and eat my dinner, so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me eat, and I'll bring it back. Alright, well, clean cutting board. I ate the whole thing. It was good. It was oddly good, but I don't know if I would make it again. Not that it was bad, it was just kind of, I don't know, kind of weird. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments, and have a good one. We'll catch you next week, or the next time I upload a video.